Good morning. Today I'm off to Bahla, which has a UNESCO listed fort and a small traditional souq, so I have high expectations of this town. Hope I'm not disappointed. The souq first before the fort because I assumed the morning would be the time for activity, but perhaps I'm too early.
الورد في الخشم سيف وسامر.
Shukran. What is your name?
My name Harib. Harib Ashukeni.
Harib Ashukeni. Churafna ya Harib Ashukeni. Thank you for inviting me to sit with coffee.
Welcome in any time.
Just watched a man eat dates and I realised I've been doing it wrong. I've been putting the whole thing in my mouth and spitting out the stone, but if you squeezed out the stone, then I need practice. More dates. Hi again, Abby and Paul.
Hello.
These guys gave me a mug of hot coffee when I got to the top of Jebel Shams.
Jebel Shams, yes.
Yeah, many thanks for that. Where are you guys heading now?
Well, we're going to go to which is just past
Oh,
as well. And
yes.
It's like a beautiful kind of oasis.
At the bottom of the road up to Jebel Shams.
Yeah, I enjoyed that very much.
Yes.
Nice.
And then off to Muscat.
Then we go
Then back to Muscat. No, boo. Where will you be for Oman Day tomorrow?
Muscat.
Muscat.
Okay,
Yes.
nice. That would be a good celebration
Yeah.
then, hopefully. Enormous, and it's been restored in such a way that it doesn't look like it was just built yesterday. It's beautiful, I love it. I can't tell you how refreshing it is to see something old looking in Oman. Oh wow, I haven't seen anything like this in Oman before. That's a palm tree, I reckon. I'm absolutely thrilled with that visit. Best fort in Oman in my limited experience. Some areas are more restored than others, but it definitely had an older feel than most that I've visited. Really, really good. I had big plans for getting a thali here, but this karak chai is so bad that there's no way I'm going to get food here. Oh yeah. I'm really struggling. That's a lot of food left on my plate. Also, I'm not sure what to do with this sort of watery raita. Am I supposed to put it on my salad? It's been dunking my bread in it. So many food faux pas today. I'm absolutely stuffed. And now I've got either 20 or 40 kilometers to go, depending on which servo I find Wi-Fi at, because tonight is England, Wales and Iran, USA, 11 p.m. There's Wi-Fi, but the guy's new, so he's not sure about letting me camp here. So I'm bolting a karak chai, and then it's 23k to the next one. To make a habit of driving at night or at dusk, particularly on busy roads like this, but the light is lovely. 5 minutes. Boo, there's no Wi-Fi at this servo. England will have to manage without me. But more importantly, I need to figure out where to camp. There is a mosque. I made lots of friends camping at a mosque at a servo in Iran. Don't know if it's the same here. I'm going to see if there's somebody to ask. Found the women's mosque, but there's nobody here to ask, and I didn't get a very favourable response at the men's side. Back under the spiky trees then. A little bit disappointed there's no football. It's also not very friendly here, and there's lots of rubbish and the water fountains don't work, so it's probably not a nice place to work either. But it's been a good day otherwise.